Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we'll be doing the project overview of the residential project that is Ganga Platinum, a project by Goil Ganga Developments located in Kharadi, Pune. And in this video we will be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But शुरू करने के पहले आइए जानते हैं Housey के बारे में. So what is Housey? Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform, जहां अगर आप एक इंक्वायरी कर लो तो आपका कॉन्टेक्ट शेयर हो जाता है मल्टीपल ब्रोकर्स के साथ, बट हम हाउसी में ऐसा नहीं करते क्योंकि हम हाउसी में आपको कनेक्ट करते सीधे डेवलपर्स के साथ. तो फिर यहाँ वहाँ जाना छोड़िए एंड बुक योर ड्रीम होम डायरेक्टली विद बिल्डर्स ऑन हाउसी. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द प्रोजेक्ट ओवरव्यू. सो ये प्रोजेक्ट टोटल 2 एकर्स के लैंड पार्सल में कंस्ट्रक्ट होगा जिसमें आपको मिलेगी 2 टावर्स. सो एज यू कैन सी दिस इज द टावर 1 एंड इसके पीछे टावर 2 का कंस्ट्रक्शन इज गोइंग ऑन. एंड इसमें आपको मिलेगा 2 बेसमेंट, ग्राउंड, पोडियम प्लस 27 फ्लोर विद 3.5 BHK, 4.5 BHK एंड 5.5 BHK प्रीमियम रेसिडेंसीज. नाउ अगर लोकेशन की बात कर ले तो ये प्रोजेक्ट लोकेटेड है नियर ग्रैंड रोड इन खराड़ी, पुणे विद इयन IT पार्क एंड WTC जस्ट 1 kilometers away from the project. And Pune Ahmednagar highway is 2.6 km away from this project and Reliance Smart is 2.5 km away from the project. अब बात करते हैं हम amenities की. तो यहाँ पे आपको 30+ luxurious amenities मिलेगी like of kids play area, poker table, walking track, senior citizen sit out area, gymnasium, clubhouse, swimming pool and many more. Now let me explain you about the carpet areas. So as mentioned ये project में आपको मिलेगा 3.5 BHK, 4.5 BHK, 5.5 BHK penthouse premium residencies with 3.5 BHK starting from 1449 to 1594 square feet, 4.5 BHK starting from 1923 to 2901 square feet, 5.5 BHK penthouse starting from 2778 to 3846 square feet usable carpet area. Now let's discuss the booking process. Project booking window is open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit this site जहाँ पे हमारी sales team आपको complete project explain करेगी with the help of 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll even show you the sample flight. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of the residential project that is Ganga Platinum located in Kharadi, Pune, a project by Goil Ganga Developments.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.